The new Forza Horizon 6 is finally here, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and play it. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, go to Steam. You can download it for free or just search it on Google and then search for Forza Horizon here. So you should find it on the first result. And now we need to scroll down and you will find the option to get different editions. So in this case, let's say I want to get the cheapest one. You just need to add it to your card, then click view my card right here, then continue to payment and just select the payment method you want to use. So you can use your credit card, PayPal, PaySafe card, or you can also use your Steam wallet balance in case you have some money there. So click continue after you have chosen the payment method, and then just click purchase. Now you just need to click the install content button, or you can go to library and then collections, and you should find Forza Horizon 6 and click install. Select the drive where you want to install the game and click install. After that, you can click manage downloads at the bottom of the screen, and this way you will see Forza Horizon downloading and you will see all the information. So after some minutes or hours, depending on your internet speed, you will have the game ready to play. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.